Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Duolingo app stuck on daily refresh. So if you're also having that exact same problem and you want to be able to try to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually me myself, I had a lot of problems with this before. I was consistently stuck on daily refresh without being able to fix it for some reason. But eventually, now I found a fix that worked for me. So basically what I did is that I firstly closed the Duolingo app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general as you can see, and then I scrolled down in here once again and I clicked on storage. And then I just simply waited like a couple of seconds for this page to completely load right here. So we're just going to keep waiting and then scroll like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search for Duolingo and click on Duolingo. Now click on Offload App and once again click on Offload App in here. We're just going to wait and then click on the reinstall app button as you can see. Now just simply wait for your Duolingo app to completely update to its latest version. By the way, this shouldn't log you out of your account if you're scared about that. At least it didn't do so for me, just so you know. Just wait for it to finish, go back, you should still be logged into your account if you didn't log out before, of course. And yeah, after it's done, try it and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.